Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today we are going to learn still life. Before that, I will tell you about light and shade because we will use in this still life. So you have learned this thing in the 3rd or 4th class that this is the earth, here is sun and here is moon. So if here it is sun, so it will be day, and here it is moon, so it will be night. This is light and this is dark. But in the middle of this day and night there is one evening. It means it's a middle tone. Okay, this is a light tone, this is a middle tone, and this is a dark tone. Okay, so there are many types of shadings. First is this much line sketch, but it is merged with each other. The second one is like this. Third one is like this, crisscross. The fourth one is like this also. The next, it is stippling like this. One more is there. You can rub this, so it will get smooth effect. There are many types of sketching. This tones, or you can see this shadings. Okay, so now I will make one object. Still life means study of an object that can not move from one place to another. It's a non-living thing by its own. It's called still life. In earlier classes you have learned about object drawing. Object drawing means only one object will be there. Okay, maybe like this. But in still life, there is a group of objects. It may be of fruit, vegetable, any object. Anything. Okay, it may be shapes also, like square, circle, triangle. So in still life we arrange all these things at one place and then we give shading. So in still life you have to make sure that where light is coming from, then the still life will be completed. So here I will draw one object. So now we will rub these lines. This line. So now you have to see where the light is coming from. Like if it is coming from this side, then it will be light, it will be medium, and this will be dark. Again here also this one will be light because light is coming from this side. So this one, this part and this part will be light, and the remaining part, this one and here, it will be dark. This one will be in the middle tone. Okay, so let's start shading. And you have to hold your pencil like this when we are giving the shading. This is the middle tone. Now here the light is not coming, so you have to give here little bit dark tone, because this object shadow comes on this, and here the dark one. Now here it is light tone, here it is middle tone. And here it's the dark tone. When you are doing shading, you can use this paper or newspaper or any other paper. So this dark thing, or it's spread like this, it will not come. Okay. And now this one. Now we will move our pencil like this. You have to use 2B, 4B, 6B pencil for shading. Now we will do the dark part. So with the help of cotton also you can merge this line like this. Now because light is coming from this side, the shadow of the object will be here, this side. So it will be very dark. Okay. Now this circle shadow. It is very dark. So this is still life. It is now completed. So for highlight you can rub this like this. Okay, here also. So now you have to do page number 13, this one, and the shading part has done for you in this book here. So step by step you have to do this one. Step 1 it is drawn for you, step 2 the middle tone, and step 3 it's a dark tone, light, middle and dark. So now you have to do in this, in book only, page number 13 for class 6. Now for class 7, again this is done for you, and now you have to do page number 11 here on, in this page, in book only. Okay. Now for 8th class, here the still life is given on page number 11. Step 1 light tone, step 2 middle tone, and step 3 dark tone. So you have to do this in your book only, page number 11 for 8th class. Okay.